Alright, so welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming. And in this video I'll be showing you how to get your 7 backend keyword from your book on Amazon KDP. When you are publishing your book, you will be required to fill in the 7 backend keyword. Though it's optional, but it's good because it helps to rank your book, right? So in this video I'll be showing you how to get the best 3 ways to get your 7 backend keyword. Alright, now as you can see, the 7 backend keyword I fill here, as the day this video is recorded in 2025, is a travel guide, and I'll show you how I got the 7 backend keyword. Let me show you the travel guide. Alright, so it's actually a Maldives travel guide I did, so I'll explain to you how I got this 7 backend keyword, and so you too can get yours. Alright, so without further ado, the first place to get your 7 backend keyword is by the use of ChatGPT. I believe you are familiar with ChatGPT if you are already publishing on Amazon. Alright, so how do I get my 7 backend keyword? Now there are many ways. I'll show you the 3 best ways to get that, and for different niches, right? But for this particular book that I did here, this one I'm about to publish here, as you can see, I'll explain to you how I got it. So basically what I used to do is I'll come to ChatGPT and write no, let me just use this. I used to use list. Maybe sometimes I can just go directly as a list close by cities to Maldives. Though we know Maldives is an island, though there are sometimes I will go like that, and then ChatGPT will selectively list cities. You can see that was what I did here. And no, he's giving me too much explanation. Let me just list. Alright, so if you are into travel guide, you can basically follow this method. The reason why I do this with cities is because there are other travel guides. For instance, they have written on Colombo. For instance, there are some that are about to be written on Colombo, others on Kochi, Magalo, and the rest. For instance, right now, if somebody comes to buy this particular book on Amazon, maybe Colombo travel guide, and he searched, the moment he searched the Colombo travel guide on Amazon, my book will also rank under this particular book because I have added this keyword to my backend keyword. I don't know whether we're together. So what I used to do is, you see here, like when I got here, you can see them Chilis, Ireland, Hong Kong, Mauritania, and the rest. Now actually what I did was, after asking, sometimes I ask for the cities, and then I ask for, since I know it's an island, I ask for close by islands too. Close by islands to Maldives, right? So I click on enter. Yeah, you can see it's already listed, so you can see where I got them. The Sri Lanka island, you can see where I got Chazo, Achampolo islands, and the rest. So I will pick some from islands, pick some from cities. If you can see, here, you can see the Sri Lanka here. You can see other places, so you can just select the ones you want and then you pick them, and don't repeat. So if you are already put this, don't go and repeat it again, the 7 backend keyword. And make sure all the words you'll be putting your 7 backend keyword should not appear in your subtitle or your title. So it shouldn't be appearing here or here, right? So basically every niche you want, just use travel guide for it. You can use ChatGPT to get a subtitle for the niche. Now the second method is you come over to Amazon. Alright, so you can see, maybe you're writing a book on Mediterranean diet cookbook, so you can come and search. And what I used to do basically is sometimes if you have this particular extension, you can use it and just pick. You can see, but don't repeat. Do now Amazon have changed, that's why I don't advise using this method. Yeah, but you can just come over here. Only these ones you are seeing stop sponsored, don't get them because they're actually on ads. But something like this is a bestseller. It's actually a bestseller in this niche. All right, so you can see. So what I used to do is I'll open all of them one after the other. Open, like, let's say 3 of them or 4 best selling in that particular niche, and then I'll just pick some keyword from there. So for instance, over here, what I would do is, if you have, there is an extension I used to have, I don't know whether it's still active. It used to give me keyword, but let me just show you what I do. So what I would do is, if my book is also this thing, Mediterranean diet cookbook, so you can see here there is beginners, so I can add beginners for my keyword. I can pick super easy and put it on my keyword, because anywhere the super easy appears, this particular book will also rank. And anytime they are searching for this particular book with this keyword, my book will also rank. You can also add something like no stress 30 days meal plan. That's if you have a meal plan on your own, right? You can come over here as well, get another keyword, like let's say flavorful recipe. You can maybe if you have any, maybe refresh cookbook, you can see. So you can get all these keywords. You can come over here again, you can see mouth-watering Mediterranean. You can see you can add mouth-watering to your 7 backend keyword, effortlessly living, lifelong health, and all this. So you can add them to your keyword. The moment these books are ranking, your book will also rank. I don't know whether they're together. And then the last method is the Google Trends. All right, this is Google Trend. Now basically, if you are into writing trends or books that have to do with maybe biographies and all that, especially trends per se, if you can get your keyword here. All right, so you just, that easy as that. The moment you click on them, you can search. The moment you click on the word, you see keywords that are already ranking on Google for that particular topic. All right, my network is not as strong. Yeah, so you can see now these are search topics. The search topics that are ranking or are rising in on Google now, as you can see, Amazon is rising. 2024 inauguration, presently they are inaugurating Donald Trump. 2025 trends. These are queries people are searching for, the Super Bowl. So if you are for instance you are writing a trend book on Donald Trump, maybe you are writing on Donald Trump inauguration, or maybe Donald Trump evolution, which I don't advise you to write trends on politicians, though there are better ways to write trends. Maybe I'll explain that in my next video. So you find out this is actually trending because the inauguration took place yesterday. So you can so they can see now all these places that are ranked. So you can see, you just come over here under the topic you are writing, you see them. After you click, just pick the keywords here. These are keyword, these are keyword, these are keyword. But don't repeat. If you have put inauguration, don't add inauguration again. All right, so you can see second Donald Trump. You can add half-mast presidential inauguration, TV program, something, vice president, and all that. So you can get your keyword here for your trend books. I don't advise writing on politicians because it's very risky. So if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and then watch and then hit the notification button for more videos. Thank you for watching.